Hello, and welcome back. In our previous video, we delved into what diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, are and their definitions. Building on that knowledge, today's video is dedicated to another crucial aspect related to DTCs, their status. OBD2 DTCs include three statuses: confirmed, pending, and permanent. Other manufacturer-specific DTCs may have different status variations. However, we'll be dissecting the first two. Confirmed and pending, we save permanent, which is a bit different for our next episode. First things first, why is a DTC set in the first place? Confirmed DTCs act as instant alerts representing past or present issues. On the other hand, pending DTCs are like early warnings, indicating potential issues detected. If the issue persists until the next trip, it transitions into a confirmed DTC. Now let's see what happens when a malfunction is detected during a drive cycle. When a fault is first detected, a pending DTC is set without triggering the malfunction indicator lamp, or MIL. If the same failure appears on the second consecutive trip, the MIL turns on. A confirmed DTC is set, but if the second trip runs clean, the pending DTC is erased automatically. Remember, pending codes don't necessarily indicate component failure. They help verify repairs when there is clear diagnostic information and when reporting test results after a single drive cycle. Once the vehicle's computer has verified a pending DTC as a confirmed DTC, at this point, the system commands the MIL to turn on. If the malfunction is severe, such as a misfire that could damage the catalytic converter, the MIL will blink once per second and remain steadily on until the condition is resolved. Meanwhile, the system captures a freeze-frame snapshot of engine conditions at the time the MIL turns on. This snapshot includes important parameters such as fuel system status, engine load, coolant temperature, fuel trim values, map vacuum, engine RPM, and DTC priority. This detailed data helps technicians diagnose the issue more effectively. Confirmed DTCs indicate faults that need to be inspected as soon as possible. Referring to the DTC definitions helps us better understand and address the specific issue faster and more accurately. After completely fixing the root cause, clear the confirmed DTC using an OBD scanner. So, that's the most important information about confirmed and pending DTCs. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll talk about the last DTC status, permanent DTCs. Drive safely, stay informed, and thanks for tuning in.